Hey everybody, it's Swaminathan. Just catching up on our trades. We did an adjustment on Apple. Apple was looking quite strong in the morning, and the goal was to get a positive delta. As you can see, our short is at 460 and 500. So obviously, given where Apple is, it's at 487. So our risk is at the 500 strike price. So we keep this. We've got a positive delta of 48, and unless Apple falls to 480, that's the kind of positive delta we would want to maintain on Apple. So that's where we stand. And the only trade that I think might get into trouble in the near term future, well, markets took a beating today as usual. There's as expected rather, because there's no resolution of anything in Washington. Gold was up. It went up. GLD went up by about $1, and now our short strangle is doing very well. I think we should be able to recover. There's still quite a bit. There's still about $1,100 in profit right here. So if this thing expires, we'll be in the plus on GLD. Costco, we're going to wait for the earnings. The other trade that I'm looking at is potentially Herbalife. So Herbalife is obviously, the bear call is doing fine. It's the bull put at 65 and 62.5 that we need to look at. So if that's the case, then what we would do is convert at the 65 strike price, we'll convert it into a butterfly. Now, I don't want to get into that right now because we are not at that level yet. I think if it breaches 66, then that's the time we would want to put that in. Some of the other trades, Netflix was okay. It's down to 318. So believe it or not, it's now closer to our bull put rather than the bear call. But again, we'll leave it as is and see what happens. MasterCard is fine. It is still in the middle at between 625 and 720. We don't need to do anything there. Tesla was looked a little more strong in the morning. Of course, that strength petered out as the day went on. So we're looking pretty good on Tesla. We don't need to do anything there. So again, earnings starts this week. So, and given all the uncertainty, I don't want to take a new trade, especially as you can see, there are so many earnings reports coming up. The first one that will probably hit is, I think, IBM. Is on 10/16, so that's about a week from now. And then Apple is a little later, I believe. Yeah, 10/22. Then Chipotle is coming up right after that, and so we'll have a trade on Chipotle. Let's see how the markets behave. Let's see how the volatility is, and all of that. So that kind of earnings analysis will go on this week, and we'll probably put some earnings trades as we close out this week or enter next week, just a day or two before these stocks report their numbers. So that's as far as where we stand. Thanks a lot. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye bye.